Find the maximum power transferred to resistor R in the circuit of figure. Solution. First we will find RTH. So to find RTH, here this will be RTH. We have to find maximum power in this resistor R. So this will be RTH. Now we will turn off all the independent sources. So this is a voltage source. This will be turned off and short circuited. Here we can see this is a dependent source. So to find RTH, we will consider a 1 volt voltage source here. This will be positive, this will be negative, this will be 1 volt. Let's say this is current Ix. So therefore RTH will be equal to 1 volt divided by Ix. Now we have to find this Ix to get the value of RTH. Let's say this is node VO and this is node, this will be node of 1 voltage. So let's say this is VA is equal to 1 volt. Let's say this is a reference node. Let's say this is current I1, this is current I2 and this is current I3, this is current I4. So apply KCL at node VO. Now when we apply KCL at node VO, so entering current at this node is 0. So all the currents are leaving. So I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to 0. I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to 0. Now this I1 is equal to VO minus 0 by 10. VO minus 0 by 10 kilo ohm. So 10k plus I2. I2 is VO minus 0 by 40k. VO minus 0 by 40k plus I3. Now I3 is VO minus 1. VO minus 1 by 20k. VO minus 1 by 20k is equal to 0. Now we have to find the value of VO from this equation. So this will be VO by 10,000 plus VO by 40,000 plus VO by 22,000 minus 1 by 22,000 is equal to 0. So this will be 1 by 10,000, 1 by 10,000, then plus 1 by 40,000 plus 1 by 22,000. So this will be 170.45 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 VO minus 1 by 22,000 is equal to 0, or directly we can write this is equal to 1 by 22,000. So from this VO is equal to 1 by 22,000 into this. So this will be 1 divided by 22,000 into answer. So this will be 0.266. 0.266 volt is the value of VO. 4 by 15. For more precise, we will write 4 by 15 volt. Now we have the value of VO. From this we can find the value of Ix. So Ix will be equal to If we apply KCL at node VA, apply KCL at node VA, so summation of all the entering current is Ix plus I3. Ix plus I3 is equal to I4. Also this 0.003 VO is entering at this node, so this will be I3 plus Ix plus 0.003 VO is equal to I4. So this Ix as it is plus I3. Now I3 is VO minus 1 by 22,000. VO minus 1 by 22k plus 0.003 VO is 4 by 15. 4 by 15 is equal to or minus I4. Now I4 is, this I4 is 1 minus 0 by 30,000. 1 minus 0 by 30k. So this will be Ix plus VO is 4 by 15. So 4 by 15 minus 1 divided by 22,000 plus 0.003 into 4 by 15 minus 1 by 30,000 is equal to 0. Ix, and this will be 4 by 15 minus 1 divided by 22,000 plus 0.003 into 4 by 15 minus 1 by 30,000. So it is 733.33 plus 733.33 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore Ix is equal to minus 733.33 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 ampere. This is the value of Ix. We have to find RTH. RTH is equal to 1 by Ix. RTH is equal to 1 upon Ix. So this will be 1 upon minus answer. So it is 1363 minus 1363.63 ohm. This is the value of RTH minus 1363.63 ohm. Now this RTH is in minus. Next we have to find VTH. We have to find the maximum power transferred to resistor R. Since the RTH is negative, therefore Pmax is equal to, directly we can say Pmax is equal to infinite. So this is our final answer.